I'm often called into an organisation to restructure their sales and marketing plan. Now, there's generally two reasons for this. The first is the organisation's sales cycle hasn't been updated to synchronise with the modern 21st century procurement practices, or incorrect implementation of the sales and marketing plan. Today we're going to look at the first reason, updating your sales to match modern procurement practices. First, let's look at the classic sales cycle, which has been used unchanged for the last 40 years. We start off with some prospecting. Step 2, we move on to setting appointments. Step 3, we qualify the buyer. Step 4, we make our presentation. Step 5, we handle objections. Step 6, we close the deal. And Step 7, we obtain referrals. So in practical terms, we would apply the classic sales cycle by setting an appointment with the client, sitting down with them and discussing their needs and the solutions that we can provide from our products or services. Negotiate on price or upgrades, and then close the deal. All in all, a straightforward system which hasn't been changed in 40 years. However, our buyers have evolved and are now utilising technology and more professional procurement practices in their purchasing cycle. Now we need to upgrade our sales cycle to match the modern procurement cycle. Okay, so let's look at the modern procurement cycle. All procurement starts with needs awareness. Step 2 is looking at all the options available. Step 3 is identification of a product or a solution. Step 4, financial approval for the purchase. Step 5, a decision to purchase has been made. Step 6, identification of suppliers. Step 7, a tender RFI or RFP. Step 8, supplier evaluation. Step 9 may involve some negotiation and the placement of an order. The problem with the modern procurement cycle is that clients often don't engage with suppliers until Step 7, the tender RFI or RFP stage. And at this stage, all they're looking for is the lowest price. If you haven't had meaningful engagement with the client prior to Step 7, it's very difficult to show differentiation, which means Step 7, the tender RFI RFP stage, is normally won by the supplier with the lowest price. So we need to move away from engaging clients at Step 7 and re-engage clients back at the start of their procurement cycle. We do this by becoming a true total solution provider. As an example, if a print company is talking to a client about design and marketing, they're engaging the client back at Step 1. This puts them in prime position to win the work. So adjusting marketing and your sales cycle to target client-specific requirements in the early stages of their procurement is critical to sales success in the 21st century.